Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your SEO skills with Moz, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Moz website. Create a free account to access their tools and resources. Take note of the range of offerings, including Moz Pro and Moz Academy. Begin with Moz Academy for structured learning modules. Explore the beginner SEO courses available. Focus on the course titled SEO Fundamentals. Complete the course lessons at your own pace. Engage with the interactive quizzes to test your understanding. Take advantage of the video tutorials for visual learning. After finishing the course, proceed to practical exercises. Use the Moz Keyword Explorer to practice keyword research. Enter keywords relevant to your niche and analyze the results. Pay attention to metrics such as search volume and difficulty scores. Next, utilize the Moz on-page grader to improve existing content. Input your web page URL to receive actionable suggestions. Implement the recommendations to enhance your SEO performance. Join the Moz community forums for networking and support. Ask questions and share insights with fellow learners. Follow industry leaders on the Moz blog for the latest trends. Lastly, consistently apply your new skills to real websites. Track your progress over time to measure your improvement. With dedication and the right tools, you'll advance your SEO skills effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.